Hello everyone, welcome back to Little Hands Homeschooling YouTube channel. Alphabet letter L. L is for llama. L is for llama. The sound for letter L is L. L. L is for llama. L is for llama. L is for llama. Say with me. L, llama. L, llama. Let's learn more about llama and words starting with letter L. Llamas live in South America. As I told you earlier, that there are 7 continents in the world. One of them is South America. So llamas live in South America. Means you can meet llamas in South America. L is for long. L is for long. L, long. L, long. Llamas have long necks and long legs. Let's repeat the sound and say with me. L is for long. L, long. L is for landscape. L is for landscape. L, landscape. L, landscape. The Andes Mountains are home to lots of llamas. L is for laugh. L is for laugh. L, laugh. L, laugh. Llamas make funny faces while laughing. Let's repeat the sound and say with me. L, laugh. L, laugh. L is for loyal. L, loyal. Helpful guard llamas protect other animals on farms. L is for light-footed. L, light-footed. Llamas are great climbers. L is for look-alikes. L is for look-alikes. L, look. L, look. These animals are similar to llamas, like dromedary camel, alpaca, vicuña, guanaco, Bactrian camel. So, L is for look-alikes. L, look. L, look. L is for little. L is for little. L, little. L, little. A baby llama is called a cria. Let's say with me and repeat the sound for letter L. L, little. L, little. L is for little. L is for lovely. L is for lovely. L, lovely. People weave llama wool into pretty clothes and rugs. Let's say with me. L is for lovely. L is for lovely. L, lovely. L is for love. L is for love. Love. Llamas and people make great partners. So that was all about letter L and all about llamas. Hope you liked it. Let's say with me and repeat the words we have learned today. L is for llama. L is for little. L is for long. L is for lovely. L is for look-alikes. L is for light-footed. L is for loyal. L is for laugh. L is for love. The sound for letter L is L. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay tuned. Bye-bye.